Hello everyone, I am Mangesh Kulkarni from Candid Advisors. Today we are going to discuss a short-term trading setup that is visible on the charts of L&T. And the current market price of L&T is 1443 rupees. Before proceeding to L&T, I have to I have to express my gratitude towards these people from whom I have learnt a lot. First one is Mr. Ramdev Agarwal, then Mr. Prakash Gaba and Mr. Anuj Singhal. So if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do it so that you don't miss any important update regarding short-term trading idea or long-term investment idea. Now let's quickly go to the charts of L&T. So this is a weekly chart of L&T. Very interesting pattern is visible on this chart. Yeah. So as it is visible during this May 2019, this was a swing low on weekly charts approximately at the price of 1611 rupees. Then the second time this was the low 1551, and from 1551 stock came down all the way to 650 rupees approximately. Now this is a trend line resistance, and during this candle, that is approximately 1st of April 2021, the stock gave a close above this trend line resistance. Then it consolidated for 3 weeks, again went up and again came down. Now let's go to the daily charts. See that the earlier trend line resistance is working very nicely as a support now. So this approximately 1300 to 1310 zone is a very strong support. Then another point to note is on this day, that is 10th of May, the stock closed above all the moving averages in a single day. So 10-day moving average, 20-day, 50-day and 100-day moving average. So it is a very unique pattern when a stock closes above all the moving averages in a single day. So it means a lot for the stock. Then after giving a close above all the moving averages, the close was 1392, approximately 1395 rupees. Then for almost 6 to 7 sessions, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, for 8 trading sessions, stock was in a very narrow range of 1395 and 1450, so approximately 3 to 4 percentage. So it was moving in this tight range, and today it has given a close above this range. So overall pattern is indicating that the stock is wanting to go up. Now what happens is a matter of time. We have to watch it carefully. As compared to the risk, we can keep a stop loss at approximately 15 to 20%, because this is the recent swing low, approximately 1307. So that is approximately 9%. So below the swing low, the probability of stock going this swing low is very low, but we have to anticipate the downside also. So 15 to 20% is the downside, and if the setup works out, then 1447 and approximately 1650. So 20% is the target. So for make it a better risk reward, what we have to do is, I will buy few shares at this current price, that is 1443, and try to accumulate more near the 100-day moving average, approximately 1350. So my average price will be 1400, and in that case the risk reward will be favorable for me. So let's keep a watch on this L&T, and hopefully it will be a profitable trade. So keep watching our channel, and keep liking, keep sharing with your friends. Till then, have a nice day. Happy investing, happy trading.